started in the early years, I used to do green beans, carrots, cabbage, and green maize. But the marketing part, the selling part, the women part of it, it was something else. So I was thinking, what should I do? What should I do that a lot of people are not doing or growing? So I decided, let me see let me first build some greenhouses and see. But at first, when I built these greenhouses, I wanted to grow vanilla.
Oh, okay.
So I said, oh, vanilla. Let me try. So I bought about 400 vanilla let's say seedlings, and they were all destroyed. The only one which remained is that one I was showing you. I said, no, vanilla, I think it will take me so much time and everything. So I just started looking. I don't know, I was somehow looking on the internet and I saw black pepper, white pepper. You know, I said, I think I can do this. This is my greenhouse. Here there are 9 colors of sweet bell peppers. I don't grow green, no, because green is
so common, so common.
And then 4 shapes. I can say shapes or types. Let me say shapes of colored peppers. The care is the same. I don't need to separate them. The same, I grow them in plastic because I think it's far much better because all the nutrients are in one plastic, so they grow far much better than putting them on the ground.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I can see you've really made an investment in terms of the gravel, number one. So this place looks super clean. There are no weeds in sight. Is that the advantage also of...
Yeah. And it's less labor intensive because imagine if we start weeding on the ground.
It's
now because of the stones,
it keeps the weeds down.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. No, that's...
ma kgs yangapi?
Zabwati kuzeni kuja tukasuka yali yangono yaja. Ayo ya yellow. Yeah, 3.2 and then to red to 3.4.
Okay.
So yeah. So in terms of harvesting now, because obviously these are fruiting, they're ripe. How frequently how much can you supply per week from here?
About 100 kgs per week. But you know, with peppers, the longer they stay on the plant, the sweeter they become, the tastier they become. So I would rather leave them on the plant for some time until they are ripe. That's when I harvest. And this is the best because it's heirloom and it's not hybrid. So this I can harvest for the next 5 years. I'll be harvesting on the same plant.
From the same plant?
Yes, like this is the second year. This side, this is the second year.
That's quite impressive because then your inputs go down.
Yes.
If you have a perennial plant like that, which you can just keep feeding, and as long as it's fed, the whole. So do you harvest the whole year or just the cooler seasons?
Like in the hot season and this season, the harvest goes up. But in the cool season, that's when, because it's perennial, it
slows down.
It slows down, yes.
Okay. Can any pepper go for many years?
No, not hybrid.
Okay.
Hybrid you can't.
Okay, that one you have to.
For you to make them sweeter, you add Epsom salt.
Okay.
And baking soda.
Oh, okay. What do those particular things add?
They remove the acidic part of it, and they add to the sweetness, the texture. They improve the texture, the flavor, and everything.
And how do you manage the disease in here? When
it's a controlled place, so the disease is not so much, but you have snails and whatever. But sometimes you do have weevils, red spider mites and whatever. But usually I do spray some neem oil. I avoid a lot of, unless it's really infected. That's when I can put the chemical, but it's once in a while. Mostly I do put neem oil and even Epsom salt, and baking soda helps with some of the small diseases.
Yeah, no, you can actually manage a lot of things with the organic things, and just by keeping your space clear. And so like you said, you don't have much contact with the soil here, so all the bacteria from the soil and the fungi aren't going to be jumping onto the leaves. You know, the water is controlled. Borehole water is fine, right?
Yeah,
for your plants.
It's fine.
So beautiful. I'm so jealous. You know, because I think a lot of people underestimate. We come, we see this and think, I want to do this, and no one really understands the learning, the journey you've been under, the process and the time. And quite honestly, I'm sure you've had some failures as well.
Oh yes, a lot. A lot.
What was the biggest disaster, or one of the disasters that you had with your peppers when you were on your learning curve?
When I planted them down, they were not doing so well. And there was one time I left it with the workers because I had to go out. Instead of putting mop, they put urea and they all got bent. Because you don't put urea on the vegetables, especially peppers. They just, it's like you have poured hot water on them. So since I can't find, this is a big thing, and I haven't found a big market for them. Some of them are going to waste. But really? I know this is a learning stage, and immediately I find a lot of customers, which I will, because now even Pamosi says they'll be ordering from me, and ShopRite has to come, Fresh Mark, they have to come and check the surroundings before they start ordering. And I think, wow, on the long run I'll be... Yeah,
and you only need a few reputable, steady clients to keep you in business. Absolutely delicious.
This is brown bell peppers. This is red. This is a smaller type. It's not the big type. This is a smaller type. And this is sweet pepper, which is yellow green or lime, and that's also red sweet pepper. That's orange. That is black there. That is green. It's another shape design, and this is orange yellow. It's a smaller type. It's not those big bell peppers. And that one is also red. It's another type. Yellow
and orange.
The pepper I think pepper is still growing.
Oh, okay.
I also have pepper, which makes it 9.
Yeah, no, I think you're not going to have a problem selling these.
Like I took to one of the supermarkets, they said, no, it's just the color, it's the same taste. I said, no, the taste is different and everything. But they keep on ringing me, bring your peppers, bring your peppers. And they didn't want to get the other colors because they thought it was the same. But when
they put it in the shop,
when they put in the shop together with those ordinary peppers, they saw that my peppers were, the people who bought first, they came back the next day to buy because of the taste, the flavor, the sweetness,
and the quality.